Hey guys, so today I just got a recommendation from a friend about overnight oats. I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with the product. So I just got a small box in the mailbox. This is how it looks. And I wanted to do an unboxing and just to set up my overnight oats. I figured it would be a good idea for me to get ready in the morning quicker if I have like the overnight oats, and I just feel like it's more convenient, especially in those of you that have like busy mornings and you don't have time to like make eggs or something, so that you can have a nutritious food while you're on the go. Comment down below if you're one of the people that like to open boxes with one of these eyebrow razors. I don't know, I feel like it's better than scissors. Anyway, so you get your box and the first thing you see is well packaged. Everything is well packaged, and I'm just gonna assemble everything. Gives you a nice little card and it says love overnight oats, subscriptions, delicious and nutritious and convenient. Yes, I ordered it for the convenience and for the ingredients as well. We'll get back to that in a few minutes. It says make it your way, and the way you prep it, you mix it with 8 ounces of milk or milk substitute overnight. You add milk, you add the oats, you shake the bottle, you refrigerate it overnight, and then you wake up, you shake it, and then you just have your oats that way. If you want to enjoy it with the spoon, you can add less than 8 ounces of water so that it's more thicker. I don't like my oats that thick, so I'm not going to be doing it that way. And then there's the traditional method, where traditional oatmeal packed with protein, where you mix 4 ounces of milk or milk substitute and 1 pack of overnight oats in a bowl, and then you microwave it for 1 minute and enjoy. I'm probably gonna just do it overnight because I'm really lazy, especially during the week. I want something with little effort and less time. So that's that. I ordered 16 of these, and then I ordered the bottles. So on your first time, the shaker bottle was only $6, and it says oatsovernight.com. This is just your regular shaker bottle. As you can see, the only difference, it doesn't have the blending ball inside, and the company states that the reason why they don't have the blending ball inside is because it doesn't allow, when you shake it up, for the oats to mix properly. It doesn't allow, it makes the oats clump up instead of mixing fully, so they intentionally leave out the round metal wisp. So let's put that down. And then I ordered different flavors, so many different flavors. So I have mocha dream, and then I have the green apple cinnamon, and the green apple cinnamon has maca, flax seeds, chia seeds, protein, and more. So the reason why I ordered from this particular company is because the ingredients are really wholesome breakfast, little effort, and very little time. So the green apple cinnamon, and then we have the third, because this is the value pack. So the next flavor is strawberries and cream. That sounds good. I can't wait to try that. This one has real fruit, maca, flax seed, protein, and more. And all their oats, by the way, are gluten-free and they're soy-free. And it's 34 grams packed with protein, so you're going to be feeling full for a pretty long time. Also, I wanted to mention that the dietary fiber in this is 7 grams. So the combination of the 7 grams of dietary fiber and 26 grams of protein in this is going to keep you full and satisfied for a long time. Now, the company claims that it'll keep you full for 4 hours, but I'm one of those people, I get hungry when I eat, you know, these little type of meals. So we'll give it a test run and I'll see if it'll actually hold me for a full 4 hours. The other flavor I got is the chocolate peanut butter and banana, and it's made with real fruit, maca seed, maca, flax, chia protein. And like I said, this is a value pack, and I ordered the value pack because honestly this is my first time ordering from them, and I don't really know which flavor I'll like. So yeah, I don't really know the flavor I'll like yet, so I just have to play around with it, and then whichever flavor I end up liking more, I'll just order more of that next time. But this is enough to last me for 16 days. So I think for the first time, I'm gonna make the chocolate peanut butter and banana. I think that one sounds pretty good. It has real fruit, maca, flax, chia seeds, and protein. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go with this one for the first night, just because it has a chocolate fix in it, and I might be interested in just getting a chocolate fix in the morning. So I went ahead and took out some milk from the fridge, and I have my shaker bottle ready, and I have my overnight oats ready, and I went ahead and I washed and thoroughly cleaned this off camera so that it's ready. So as you can see, I went ahead and I washed everything. The shaker bottle is all washed, and the top is also washed, just to get rid of anything that's from the factory. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put 8 ounces of milk, lactate 2% milk, into the cup. So this has a measuring cup right here, and there's a indentation for 8 ounces right here. It's not focusing. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and put the milk back into the fridge. Then I'm gonna open up the overnight oats. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the overnight oats. Shake everything to the bottom just to make sure that I don't spill on my countertop. You can smell the cocoa from the chocolate. It smells really good. Just gonna pour it in. You can see this is a good amount, substantial amount of oats coming out. I knew that would happen. Let's make sure we get everything we paid for. Then I'm gonna take the shake. It says to shake it, but I'm just gonna mix it a little bit just to like bring everything down before I shake it. Just gonna cover the bottle, and then I'm gonna give it a good shake. Gonna take a quick look in there. Yeah, I can smell the cocoa. Smells good. And I don't think that I'm gonna need a spoon with this, because the consistency of this is thin enough that I can just open the cap like that. Just open the cap and just pour it down and just drink it. I don't think I'm gonna need a spoon with this, but we'll see, because sometimes when you do overnight, sometimes when you make overnight oats, you'll see that it's thinner in consistency before you put it in the fridge, and then when you wake up in the morning, it's a totally different story. So We'll see if it's still this thin in the morning, decently thin. If it is, I'm just gonna grab it and put it in my bag and leave, and then I'll drink it like in the car when I'm driving to work. So I'm just gonna put this in the fridge for overnight, hence overnight oats, and I will get back to you in the morning when I'm grabbing it and see how it comes out, and we'll do a taste test just to see how it is. And hopefully I might film a little bit later in the afternoon to see if it was able to actually sustain me for the full 4 hours that they claim. All right guys, see you later. Morning guys. So I just finished the oats overnight. It was so delicious, let me tell you. It was so easy, it was convenient, and the other thing is it kept me full for 4 hours. So I drank it about 8 o'clock and it's around noon and I'm feeling hungry. Bye.